Hello and welcome to Starpoint Academy. This is Nikki Chatfield, as you can see up in the corner, and that's my picture up there. And all students and teachers can put their pictures on their profile, which is a fun thing to do within the learning management system. And I want to give a shout out to Sienna today. Hello and welcome to the school site. I spoke with your mom, Jessica, and she wanted me to put together a video so that you could see some of our classes, some of the classes that you're interested in. So we've brought up biology here, and I also just wanted to say that we have a wonderful online learning center, and it will be very different than anything you've experienced before, and I think you're going to really love it. So we're going to do the drop down here and go to activities. And when we do this, we will see the first half of the course. The courses are all broken into 2 semesters. So this is biology semester 1. And if we scroll down, you'll see this is all that you get to learn in the first semester of biology. It's fantastic. And we have some great little tools here. The resources at the top are the same for every class. They're just very helpful for you to get started. And then this is the first part of biology. You can see you can just drop that down or put it back together. And we're going to start in the biology safety online lab, which is really cool. You'll see that the lessons are very easy to understand, and it's all set up very nicely organized. So you'll have an objectives, a skills needed, keywords for this unit, and then you can go to the next page here. You can also bookmark and take notes on each page, which is really handy. You also have another tool right up here where you can actually play the, it'll play the words here.
Subject matter. Be safe. 2 of 6. What equipment helps ensure a safe laboratory? Forensics worker wearing safety equipment. Have you ever watched a forensics show on television? One where there is some...
So that's really cool. You have an audio component to all of your lessons. So you can read, you can also have it read to you. And then you have some great tools up here, translator, dictionary, all kinds of great tools. And then you can just put that back away if you're not using it. You can also go to the next page. Down at the bottom is the next button as well. You have interaction questions and answers here in your lessons, which is fun. We'll go to the next page. And this is just a typical lesson. It's talking about what supplies you would need to do your lab, because you will be doing labs online, which is fun. You'll also be doing labs in your home with items that you already have handy, which is really cool. And you'll see this is very in-depth, and it's talking about handling the chemicals, responding to accidents. So it's very in-depth and really gets you through your biology safety online lab. We're going to go to the next page. And you'll see you'll have interactive tools. Wearing blank protects your eyes from splashing chemicals. Let's go with goggles. And you get instant feedback, which is fantastic. Keep your lab area blank of clutter. Let's say free. There you go. Go to the next question. Use a blank when trying to, and here we go. There we go. So you'll see there's a lot of interactive parts to this. There is reading, there are online labs in your biology class, and you'll also have hands-on labs that you'll do right there in your kitchen. So it's a very cool class that all the 9th graders enjoy. And this is where you enter your virtual lab. So when you actually sign in, when you actually enroll with us, you'll have a sign in for the virtual lab. And when you click this, it takes you to the virtual lab, and you would put your very own username and password to join the Smart Science Education, which is very cool. So we'll go back to our biology class, and we have an activity down here. So this is a typical activity or lesson that you would be doing in your biology class. And you can do this, you can print this off if you like, you can write it in a notebook, however you'd like to complete that assignment is up to you. And you saw that it downloads and prints there, so you can have those options as well. And if we go, you can actually toggle to the next page up here. And that's your assignment submission. And then we have biology big ideas, which is the next section. And you'll see they're all set up the same, so it's very user friendly. And you go to the next page, just like the other lesson. So very cool, talking about biology. And I don't wanna bore you. I'm gonna try to go through this kind of quickly, just give you a look at it so that you can get a good idea what some of the different classes are like. So we'll spend a little time here in biology, and then we're going to hop over to pre-algebra and maybe look at Spanish for a minute if we have time. You'll see more interactive activities here. And if you get an answer wrong, you get to retry it. There's no wrong, it's just learning. So, you know, give it a try, and then if it's not correct, you can give it a retry. And we're going to go up to the top left corner. We're going to X out of biology and go look at another class. And when you log in as a student, right here, you're going to have each one of your classes will be in little squares. So it'll be really easy for you to find. Now, I, of course, have hundreds of classes, so it'll take me a minute. But for you, you'll just have the little squares for each class that you're doing. So we have pre-algebra here, which is what your mom said you would like to take. So this is your pre-algebra class. Same setup here. Activities brings up the entire first semester of your pre-algebra class. And as you see, it's set up the same way. We have the resources, and then it starts into the lessons. So these are the lessons for your pre-algebra class. Hey, that looks pretty manageable, doesn't it? Not bad at all. So we have study guide, and the first lesson here is variable expression. So we'll jump in here and take a look at our pre-algebra class. And it looks very familiar. We set it all up the same exact way with your objectives and skills so that you know exactly what to expect. We'll go to the next page. And there's some light reading, but you can, of course, also have it read to you, your choice. And it's just going through some concepts for you, question and answer. And I think we have a video of this, your flashcards for your vocabulary words. It gives you the definition, which is very handy. And then we're going to go to the next one. There's a quiz quiz for you there. And then our next lesson. So you see the lessons are very manageable, anywhere from 1 to 6 pages, 1 to 10 pages, an assignment, and you'll have a quiz, and then you'll move on to the next. And here we have a video. Well, my video played for me just a minute ago. I'm not hearing it. I'm not, so it's a dollars and cents video we have here. So you'll have videos within your math class, you'll have videos within all of your classes. So that's just a dollars and cents video there. And then we'll go on to the next page, just giving you an overview of how it is. It's very simple to navigate your classes, and everything is broken out into nice little manageable pieces so that you can learn the concepts, which is really wonderful. Okay, so we will jump over to the Spanish class. Just give you a quick look at the Spanish class. Go to courses. Okay, here we go. Spanish. Espanol. Go to activities. And it's set up just as the other courses are. You'll see this first semester has 6 modules. We have the resources here, and it'll tell you exactly what you need to have ready for the class. And then this is the start of the class, our greetings and basic conversation. Objectives and skills, keywords over here, bookmarks and notes, very familiar. So we're going to start with how to pronounce the letters in Spanish.
S.
And then, oh, there you go, next.
N. Z. A. F. C.
So yes, you can take a Spanish class online. It's very audio visual for you, so you'll be able to do that, master the concepts of Spanish. And we have a video here. And this will go through the alphabet and the pronunciation so that you can hear all of those. Then we'll go to the next page, and you'll see this lesson has 8 pages. You're going to go through this, and oh, what's this say? Cool. So we have some activities. Listen to each audio clip and spell the Spanish word or letter. Oh, fun. So you have some interactive items to do there. I'm not a student, so I can't actually fill those in. But, okay, review. And then we're going to review, and then you'll have an activity. There'll be a quiz. Practice your activities. Wonderful. So that's the first lesson. Then we'll go to the next lesson, take a look at that. Your assignment, your quiz. And then we go to the next, greetings and goodbyes. So it's nicely broken up, and all of your lessons are easy to look at. And this, vocabulary PDF, this is nice, a nice printable version here for you. Wonderful, greetings and goodbyes. Awesome. So you can print that out, or you can just, refer to it online. It's completely your choice. And all of your curriculum, as you can see, it's all delivered via the internet with your customized username and password. You'll log in from wherever you are at any time, and always keep in mind that there's no timing involved here. There's no deadlines, and you can log in and do your schoolwork whenever you want to, wherever you want to. With a good internet connection, you'll be good to go. Whenever you can do your studies, it'll be there for you. So I hope this gives you a nice look at the courses and gives you kind of an idea how this works. It's very easy to navigate, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. And I think I'm going to really enjoy working with you, and it's just always such a pleasure to have new students, and we hope to talk with you and your mom, Jessica, real soon. Thanks, Sienna.